All right, guys. Well, we got the Alpha 1 subs from Bimmertech. Gonna go in on this M4. Open the box. Ooh. Some nice looking subs. Got a little letter from Alpha 1. And we got some perfected by Bimmertech speakers. And yeah. Well, yes, perfected speakers, but also a sticker. These are really pretty. If you want, go for it. All right, while she does that, I'm gonna hop into here. Got a T50 torque spit on our mini impact here. It's gonna pull off the 4 bolts for the seat, 2 in the back, 2 in the front. We're gonna grab a quick extension. Should help us get in there a little bit easier. We could also bring the seat up, and that's gonna help us get a little bit more clearance. Mark those as the backs. The seat all the way back. Pull off these front 2 bolts, also T50. All right, next up. So this is the speaker right here that we're gonna want to work on. This wire, you should have enough slack so you don't have to unplug it. All we have to do is just tip this back, and that should give us some good access. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx bolts on here. T20. It's usually a T20, right? Yeah, T20. Pull this up a little. Now that we got those all out, I should be able to lift off the speaker cover, which exposes our broken sub right here. One thing that could help real quick, if we pull out this right here, ooh, there goes a clip. With that trim piece off, we have a little bit better access down here. You can peel this back, just like that. There we can see all the access that we need right to that connector. First, let's start out with pulling out the speaker connection. There's a small tab that you do have to squeeze to get it to come out. No idea what any of this grease is from. Probably shouldn't be here. It's kind of disgusting. In theory, it should be dielectric grease, but it does not seem like it. So this connector should actually be sitting on that. Show you a 10 mil, like I guessed. Oh, would you look at that? It is a 10. Then get into here, loosen these, wire out of the way. I believe this should be able to come out. Maybe not. All right, so we just got the sub out with the whole enclosure. Get this wiped up as best as we can. Let's pull out these rivets. Normally these should come off on here, but they do not for some reason. So Cindy got the sub enclosure all set up for us, all cleaned, all nice. You could throw in one of these nice Alpha 1 subs. Got this nice gasket on the back.
Not glued.
Yeah.
Is that the correct one?
Yeah. And it just slides right into there. I believe no gaps. Yeah. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna need this seat folded back again. If you do have an assistant, much easier. If you don't have a second person, don't have friends, use your shoulder like that, I guess. I'd be lying if I said I remembered how I took this out. something like this. Make sure we got our wire out on top. And pull this back. Make sure you get this wire out on top too. There we go. That is in its correct spot. 10. Be these two hex bolts, both 10 millimeters again. Connect this sub. Make sure the orientation's correct. And that should pop right into place. All right, now I just got the cover. That's it. And then this cover could go right on top. And you could toss this trim piece right back on. Right, and then your holes should be lined up perfectly back here. And that's one speaker installed on this side. Now I just do it on the other one. Hey guys, now here we are with the subs installed. Give you guys an idea of what it used to sound like versus what it sounds like now.